Do you like Haribo beers? I do, but not all of them. I prefer orange and green ones. Sorting them and finding ones that I like is a lot of work, it's hard and exhausting. But wait, we have 21st century, we are close to launch people to Mars, we have huge computing power in our pockets and as amazing cars as Tesla. Do we still need to sort Haribos on our own? I don't think so. That's why I decided to use my knowledge of mechatronics, electronics, programming, 3D printing and Arduino things to create this ingenious machine that can finally resolve this huge problem. Here it is, my DIY Haribo sorting machine. It can sort Haribos for the good ones, the ones that I like, and bad ones, the ones that I don't like. It uses quite a lot of components and it is big, so let me quickly explain how it works. Everything is controlled by Arduino Uno. There is also a motor controller and breadboard. Here we have a simple feeder system with a motor and container. This wheel rotates, Haribo falls into this hole, and once it goes up, it falls onto the slide. There is a photoresistor that detects once Haribo was loaded, so that we can stop loading more Haribos. Then there is a color sensor that detects color of Haribo. Once the color is detected, it goes up thanks to this servo, so we have space for the coolest part of this project, a robotic arm with 6 independent servos. This robotic arm goes like this, grab the Haribo and throw it into a proper container. Are you ready to see how this machine works? Let's sort some Haribos. All we have to do is to put some Haribos in here, connect it to power and let it do its magic. And here we have our perfectly sorted Haribos without any effort. Isn't that cool? You can do nothing and this machine will sort Haribos for you. You can finally enjoy your life and do all the things you aren't able to do because of those gummy bears. Life has never been easier because this machine is making the world a better place. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this machine. See you in the next video. Happy making, bye!